SUI is at an all-time high today, but should you sell this altcoin or should you hang on? Because SUI is the next Solana, and these are just the beginnings of nothing but new all-time highs from here on out. Well, what do the charts tell us, folks? Because we're looking at the coin, and like I said, right now we're at a brand new all-time high. Now, we've talked about the bull flag pennant before, and the bull flag pennant played out beautifully. If you don't know what that is, you can see right here we're creating what they call a bull flag pennant, and from the breakout, you can usually measure the length of the pole, and then I'll give you, the first stop where things start to cool down. Well, you can see we hit that level, and then 1, 2, 3, maybe even 4 days here, it failed to put in a new all-time high, but now SUI is going nuts, and we are at all-time highs as we speak. But like I said, is this the next Solana, and should you hang on to this token? Well, for reference, folks, we're looking at SUI right here, and it is at a $6 billion market cap. It is currently ranked 21 out of all the cryptocurrencies. But what is Solana as we speak? Solana, $73 billion market cap, and this is where things get very, very spicy and very, very interesting. Now, I'm looking at the market caps here with the price, but we're also looking at Solana on its route to $6 billion. Now, let's go ahead and minimize so we can really see here. This is SUI on its path to $6 billion. You can see we traded sideways and then a quick blast to $6 billion. But look at Solana on its path to $6 billion. Very, very similar. In fact, I'll run it back one more time. Look how similar those charts work. You can see it's just basically flat for Solana, bouncing around this, $50 to $100 million market cap, and then kind of trade around. The traders were liking, and then it started its parabolic run. SUI, similar thing, only it's around $400 million, floating around. Then we had some chop, and then it went on its parabolic run. Well, this is just the beginning stages of Solana. Did Solana cool down at $6 billion? Well, we just zoom out a little bit here. You can see here Solana didn't cool down until it hit about $15 billion. And then after it hit $15 billion, it then came back down to where we're at for SUI, which is around a $6 billion market cap. So Solana after that ended up going parabolic. You can see, the 15, 12 billion that we're looking at just looks like peanuts compared to the next run that it did later in the same year in 2021 when it ran all the way up to close to $80 billion. So when you see Solana and how it behaved on its path to $6 billion bucks, SUI at $6 billion not slowing down doesn't seem that far-fetched. But what is the next leg after the bull flag pennant, and where's all this money in the SUI ecosystem going to go to? Now, I have a hot theory on that, but first let's look at the price action for SUI, and then we'll figure out where the heck the money is going to flow into. Now, to find the next level of resistance, folks, I think we just got to do some simple TA and just kind of look at how SUI's been behaving with the previous tops there. Now, there's two kind of levels we're looking at. We're looking at peak to peak here, and we're also going to be looking at, peak to peak here. It's going to give us a lot different targets. Now, this one, I feel like we could hit this in the next few days, but the other peak is going to be more of our target and where we're expecting a lot of significant pullback. So we see how the bull flag pennant, but what is the next level that we're looking at? For that, we need to go to regular chart, and I think we just need to do some regular TA. Now, there's two different ways we can run it. We can go from peak to peak, and that's going to give us a level. And then we have this peak to that peak. That one feels a little bit moonshot. I think, this one is going to be on the first stop there. So we're still a little bit a ways from this area. If we go ahead and stretch it out, currently we're sitting around $2, close to 30 cents. If it happens within the next day or two, you're looking at $2.52. So roughly $2.50 I expect SUI to maybe create some red candles on the daily. I think we're going to have to kind of consolidate for a bit before it starts to look like Solana did in 2021. But DZ, what about that other peak here, peak to peak? Well, now we're talking a little bit more bullish here. So we go ahead and run this. This is going to give us a very, very bullish target. In fact, if we go ahead and run it out, and then we see a real pump on our hands. Now, if we were to go ahead and measure that, if it happens in just say the next, let's just say month or so, we're looking at a $3.28 SUI, or roughly about a gain of $1 here. So I think SUI could easily gain $1 before it gets real significant sell pressure. But I do think also we're going to slow down around $2.50. But I said, where the heck is all this money in the SUI ecosystem going to flow after the fact? Well, folks, I hate to say it, I think a lot is going to flow into the meme ecosystem. I know your memes can be dreams, folks. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to tell you to sell all your SUI and put it into meme coins, but some number of investors and some number of traders are going to do exactly that. And there's ways to capitalize on top of that. Now, the SUI meme ecosystem just got a huge boost from CoinGecko, and this is something I just noticed less than a week ago. Now, if we go to just a random SUI, which is clearly a meme coin here, I don't think, SUIMon or SUIMan is going to be doing anything that's changing the world. Probably just meme token. You can tell by that downward pressure as well. I found this, folks. And if you go all the way down on the left side, you'll see categories under SUI memes. You can also find it under categories. You'll see SUI meme category. Now, for the member stream on Friday live, I told you, folks, I'm buying a SUI meme coin. I kind of told you why I'm buying it. One, it was just a funny ticker. And I went around the office and I asked people, what ticker is standing out to you? Well, that ticker is up against a sea of red. So you can see right now significant pullbacks across the board with SUI meme coins. Folks, there's a couple that have gained, and one of the ones is the one that I bought as well, STD. I'm not even going to say the name there, but yeah, we put it in our portfolio with just a small amount to play with. But how the heck do you buy these? How the heck do you go ahead and take advantage of it? One, I would just say go to any of these and just check their socials. If you see good socials, you like the name, you like the ticker, you like the artwork, hey, go ahead and have a little fun at the internet casino, which is called meme coins. How the heck do you buy these things? Well, to do that, I recommend don't use Google to find these links. Either find it from CoinGecko or, go to their social media accounts and hit the direct links there. So for SUI, you got to go to their main page. But even then, it isn't easy to find how to interact with this ecosystem. You're like, all right, well, I'm just trying to get a wallet. I'm at sui.io. What the heck is all this? All right, start building, connect, learn. Okay, learn will tell me. Shoot, I'm seeing all this crazy stuff. I don't know. Build, is it build? Docs, maybe I'll click that. Developers, oh my God, what is going on? I just wanted to buy a coin. But if you go back to CoinGecko to the SUI page here, you'll actually see SUI wallet. So just click on SUI wallet right there. And now we're starting to talk, folks. Here you can download the browser extension. I've already gone ahead and do that, but you should see around 5,000 ratings with about a 4.9. But if you do want to navigate from this page here, from the official SUI account here, under developers, you'll see getting started. Under getting started, they'll tell you how to build on SUI. Well, that's not what we're trying to do here. I just wanted to get a SUI address, so then click on this link right there, and then you'll find the same link bringing you to the SUI Chrome extension. Now, and then after you do all that, you'll end up with something that looks like this. This is the SUI wallet. You go ahead and copy your address and load it up with some SUI from an exchange, something like Coinbase. Now, I already bought some SUI, loaded it up, spin it on a meme coin, and we've been peeling off some profits. I took about 20% profit because I was up over the weekend. But folks, if you do load it up with some SUI, you want to go buy some memes here, under all of these coins, you'll find out how to buy it. And so, this is what I bought. I just scrolled down, you go to markets here, and you'll see two different dexes. I ended up using Cetus for SUI, and then you connect your wallet and you are good to go. And a quick warning, if you do buy a meme coin, you might not see it immediately. Just click under one unrecognized coin if you buy one, and then you'll see your meme coin right there. Again, this is just play money, small amount. I don't expect all this SUI to just go to the moon, but you know what? I put some SUI in this meme coin, got more SUI, and now I'm just kind of pulling some SUI back because I am long-term bullish on this coin. When you look at how Solana performed in its path to 6 billion, and you look at how SUI is performing in its path to 6 billion, and then you zoom out on Solana and you see, okay, this thing went straight to 80 billion in 2021, and I think it could potentially go to 200 billion in 2025. I can't help but feel bullish on SUI. So that's what I got for the SUI ecosystem. And then these are my price predictions where you might see some selling pressure on SUI. And that's all I got for today. I hope you found today's video sweet, and I'll see you in your SUI bags at the top.